There we are, all connected up, and working no problem at all. Right, so now we can put the Y table back together and lock it down for the last time, I hope. Right, modification that I've had to do. I had a Hula girl come to the party, and quite frankly she wasn't any good. And what was happening was, as the Z-axis was going up and down, it was wiggling from side to side. And I stopped that in the first part by putting a block, welding a block in there up against this bar, and the same in there. Turn the camera around so you can see what they're seeing, Raymond. Same in there, up against this bar, guide bar. And what I'm going to do now is prepare 2 more pieces, and they will go on the bottom bars here and here, and then that will allow the Z-axis to move up and down perfectly parallel, and hopefully the Hula girl won't be at the party anymore. Right, I'm now running the cables across the X-axis, the back of the X-axis from the motor, and it entails the motor cable, that's the mauve and white one, and the 3 grey ones are from the optical sensor, the encoder on the back. Now, why the cable is taped down like that is because I'm going to weld it into place. I don't need to screw or clip it or anything like that, and the glue will hold it in place quite nicely. Sorry, the weld. Very simple and very effective. And they will stay in position, no problem at all. There we are. And I don't have to find any clips, I don't have to find any screws. It's quick, easy. If you do it before you go to bed at night, in the morning, job done, take the tape off. And then over here, I should be putting another box ready should I need the encoder to go down to the jogging panel. So in the beginning there will only be the motor cables going down to the jogging panel, and well, that's it for that. And then I'm trying to move on a little bit faster for you, and that way it won't be so boring. Alright peeps,